In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to run a report, create a new account, and import your chart of accounts. Starting off, let's dive into QuickBooks. Begin by opening QuickBooks in your preferred web browser. Once you're in the home page, you should see a familiar interface that gives you a foothold to execute these tasks. Next, we're going to the Settings. Look towards the upper right corner of the home page and you'll find the Settings icon. Clicking on this opens up a drop-down menu that grants access to a whole suite of tools you can utilize in QuickBooks. Among these options, focus on Chart of Accounts, as it is our next destination. After selecting the Chart of Accounts, you're presented with a detailed list of your company's accounts. This is where QuickBooks organizes all your financial data, which, needless to say, is a vital tool for managing your business finances effectively. Now we will dive into generating a detailed report. Find and click on the Run Report option here. The report gives you insights into your financial standings by detailing your account data, which is indispensable for making informed business decisions. With the report checked, let's move on to create a new account. Within the same interface, locate and click on the New Account button. This function allows you to add a new financial account to your company's books, whether it's for checking, savings, expenses, or income. Once you've entered all the necessary information about the new account, look for the Save button to confirm the process. Always double-check the information you input to ensure accuracy, because errors here can lead to discrepancies in your financial records. Now, let's get more hands-on by assigning a name to the account. Click on Account Name and type in a descriptive and appropriate name for the new account. This step is crucial as it helps in identifying the account quickly in your financial adventures. Following this, assign a number to your account by clicking on Account Number. Assigning an account number ensures easy tracking and referencing in complex transactions. To streamline your imports, find and click on the drop-down menu. Scrolling through the options presented, seek out the Import feature, which is a powerful time-saving option. After clicking on Import, you're now ready to bring in your existing chart of accounts data seamlessly into QuickBooks. For this import, click on Select a CSV or Excel file to upload. Alternatively, if your data is in Google Sheets, select the Select Google Sheet option. These options offer flexibility depending on how you've stored your financial data. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be managing your QuickBooks effectively in no time. Be sure to regularly review and reconcile your accounts to maintain accuracy and avoid potential issues. Happy bookkeeping!